Detox your fatty liver and your body of the toxic wastes with apple beets juice. The normal liver function is one of the most important things for maintaining good health. As the biggest gland in our body and one of the most vital organs, the liver serves as a storage of nutrients, as well as for neutralizing and eliminating the harmful waste. Since there are a number of important metabolic processes in it, one of the important factors for its proper functioning is a moderate and balanced diet. Drink apple juice. Regular use of an apple juice with a beetroot supplement in a ratio of 10:1 also acts favorably on the gallbladder and the liver function. If you have the opportunity every day to drink at least 1 glass of that natural elixir, I would suggest that you do it anyway. Precious omega-3 fatty acids. Regular use of omega-3 fatty acids is very useful both for better functioning of the liver and for the overall detoxification of the body. Consuming 1 teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoons flaxseed oil twice a day, as well as 2 to 4 tablespoons of a mixture of minced raw flaxseed, pumpkin seeds, and sesame seeds will provide the body with the necessary quantities of those essential fats. If you opt for omega-3 fatty acids of animal origin, take fish oil capsules, for example 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams per day, or eat fish from the northern seas, especially mackerel, 2 to 4 times a week.